That will kill jobs. That will kill jobs. The National Federation of
This is
Ernst & Young to look and see what
presidential candidate
in America. And the answer is
Mitt Romney.
700,000 jobs. I don't want to lose jobs. I have a plan, by
He's,
the way, that adds 7 million
in
jobs.
Denver.
My tax plan does this. It brings down the tax rate.
About mouthing the president.
For high-income people. Brings down
He just told the audience that he would like to put the children, first the children, in the union behind. So I don't know what he meant by that. Put them on their behind, or so children, just put children first
and let me mention one other thing.
Teachers union behind.
If the president succeeds,
that really didn't sound
very hard, which is something known as card check. And for those of you not familiar with it, it's this.
That's what he said.
It says we're going to take away from the American worker the right to vote by secret ballot as to whether or not they want to have a union. And on that basis, a guy or a gal could be in their backyard barbecuing with their kids, and some people could come up and say, here, sign this statement. We want you to vote where we can watch you vote. In a setting like that, you're going to see coercion, and you're going to see small businesses overtaken by
I don't know what's wrong with that.
Entrepreneurs aren't going to want to start a business if that's the case. If card check goes in place, it will kill America's entrepreneurial
What's
economy.
wrong with that?
What the president is doing is bowing to the demands of big labor, to his big contributors. It's wrong. It would kill our economy. I'll stop that in its tracks. We must have people have the right to vote by secret ballot.
Why does it have to be secret? Why everything have to be secret?
Those five things I've described will create 12 million jobs. And as those jobs are created, there'll be more competition for workers. And as businesses compete for workers, they're going to have to drive their wages up.
Just look at his
So you're
eye.
going to see rising incomes again. Look, these years we've experienced for the last 4 years, we don't have to experience for the next 4 years.
Actually, look at this guy behind him.
He's making us more and more like Europe. I don't want to be like Europe. Europe doesn't work in Europe.
Yeah, but that's where he got his money.
I want to restore the principles that made him.
He don't want to be like Europe, but he got his money overseas. You know, this guy's funny. You don't want to be, but that's why he got his money overseas.
I believe the exceptional nature of this country was established when the founders wrote the Declaration of Independence with these insights. First, that our rights were given to us not by government but by the Creator.
Oh, cute. This is a lot lazy. Look at that lazy.
Life and liberty. That's why we have a strong military, to protect our lives and to secure our liberty. Life and liberty and the pursuit of happiness. The ability in America for people to pursue their dreams. And every now and then someone has a great idea. That's their dream, and they build an enterprise and it employs hundreds, thousands of people. I see it day in and day out as I see the entrepreneurs of America. It's what makes our economy go. A bigger and bigger government taking more and more, demanding more and more intrusive in our lives will not make America stronger. Instead, restoring freedom and opportunity will get America to work again, and I'll do it. And it's important. This is important. This election is not just about 4 years. It's about the course for America over decades. We're going to make a choice now which is going to affect the lives of our kids and theirs. It's important. People need to pay attention to the path that we're on and ask, do we really want to keep going down that path? Or can we instead take a path that will get us working again, restore the principles of
Who is this guy?
Hope and passionate leader and protector of freedom that it's always been.
Who is
I was
him?
in Poland a few weeks ago, and I got the chance to meet a
I don't
world
know, is
hero,
he?
Lech Walesa. And he was the guy that stood up to the Soviet Union from the gates of the Gdansk shipyard. And I came in to see him. He looked at me and said, "You've come from America? You must be tired. You sit. I'll talk. You listen." And so I sat. And And then he said this repeatedly: where is American leadership? We need American leadership. America's the only nation on earth that's a superpower. We need American leadership.
That's what he said?
For the last 4 years, we've had a foreign policy led by a president who believes the strength of his personality is going to get people to do the right things. Well, we've seen fires burning in U.S. embassies around the world. We need the strength of American military, America's economy.
Oh, this guy wants to start a war all over the place. He wanted to start a war in Syria, in Libya, in Egypt, Sudan, Yemen.
The greatest thing about this campaign for me personally,
you name it,
has been meeting the people of this great country.
Well, he's a Mormon.
I love America. I love the beauty of its rocks and rills
He's a
and
Mormon.
templed hills, but a lot more than that, I love the beauty of the American soul. The heart and passion of the American people is alive and well. We're a patriotic people. We love our country. The fact that you're here tonight, that you care about an election, shows how much we care in America.
How about you? Do you care about? Oh, I guess he's not paying attention to. He put him to sleep.
Strong and growing.
Let's go back to him.
Last quarter, did you see that? It showed that this year our economy is growing more slowly than the year before, and the year before that was faster still. This economy is not in recovery. We're not seeing a real recovery. The president's policies have not worked. He doesn't get that. He doesn't understand that. We must get America growing again with a strong economy to support a strong military and strong homes to support both of those. This is a critical time for America. We've had the benefit of the greatest generation that's held aloft a torch for us to see and for the world to see. A torch of freedom and opportunity. But the members of the greatest generation are not as few, or excuse me, not as many as they used to be. And they're not as strong as they used to be. They can't hold that torch as high. It's our turn. We've got to grasp that torch and hold it aloft for the world to see. And I make this commitment to you. When I'm elected president of the United States,
Wait, listen to this guy snoring. He's like a human being. Oh, there's two of them. Listen to this one. Two snoring dogs. Wow. all this is happening while this guy was talking. Mitt Romney. All this happened while Mitt Romney was talking.